What's up guys, Chief Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video, and this one I have actually no idea what to expect. I just went to the mailbox and there was another package from SaruGeneral. I don't know if it was like the other half of the other mystery box that I ordered, or they sent me another one because it was so undervalued. I don't know. When I talked to the customer service, it didn't seem like I was getting another box, and what they valued the box that I had was the value that I purchased. No, that's actually insane. So to start off, we have Supreme Band-Aids. I think these are like, I don't think they were throwing thin, but they're Supreme actual Band-Aids. The next thing I'm actually kind of excited for, because I know what it is, and I was following Supreme stuff just recently, and it just recently came out. So as you guys can see, hopefully, it is the Supreme burner phone. It's the black version. Do with mystery boxes, so you win some and then you lose some, but this feels like a real big loss for not that big of a box. So I guess that's what happened. I was really shocked to see that there was another mystery box, and I had no idea really what to expect. So with that being said, let's just get right into opening it. So like I said, I really have no idea what this is. No one contacted me from them saying anything was coming, and I just don't really know what to expect. So I mean, we'll see what it is. If you guys didn't see the last one, I basically got $125 worth of stuff compared to the $200 or $250 that I ordered. So I don't know. I know someone from them watched it, according to them. They said they saw it, but we'll see. And I know everyone in my comments was basically like, they're not the greatest, but if they just randomly sent me one, that'd be pretty cool. So we'll see, but I don't know. There's also a Bape sticker on the outside of it, and I don't really know why, and I never ordered anything from Bape. I ordered a Supreme mystery box. Here's the box. SaruGeneral came from them, straight from them, so we'll see. And I think I couldn't find like when it was postmarked or anything, but I think it said like 4/11, so I don't know if I was supposed to get two boxes when I got the one that I got, but you never know, I guess. We'll get right into it because I don't really know what to expect. Another stuff, they sent me another just cards. This one actually, so last mystery box, they sent me this card. It says, this one says on the mark. The last one said it was over. Like I got more than the value. So I don't really know what to expect anymore. But it looks like they actually just sent me some Supreme clothing, which is weird. I didn't expect any of that. So we'll start off with this. I actually have one of these. It's just a Supreme box logo. It's a scratch off. So once you scratch it off, it's just a red Supreme sticker underneath, probably like $5. But yeah, next we have a New Era Arc logo headband. It's a headband. I don't know the value of this, and there's only one other thing in there. I don't know the value of this, just because I've never looked into this. But it is a headband. It's green and it says Supreme on it. It looks more wintry than anything, so it's no longer winter, but whatever. And then the last thing I think we have, other than their sticker again, is a Supreme shirt, it looks like. Yeah, it's a Supreme shirt in a SaruGeneral bag. Let's just get this out because I don't know what it's going to be. So this, let's see. It's just a nice boat tee. I don't know. There's probably a reason. I'll put the title on it during the video, and you guys will know and see the value of it. But it's just it's just a shirt that says Supreme, and it's got a sailboat on it. It looks like it's painted, obviously, but it's not. But yeah, I don't know, because I ordered a Supreme accessories mystery box, and this is a Supreme clothing mystery box. So I'm gonna assume they may have seen the other video and saw the value of the other stuff, and they were like, let's send him Supreme clothing mystery box. So we'll see. I'll show you guys some B-roll of this stuff closer up so you guys can see more of it. But yeah, more stuff, I guess. So yeah, let me show you guys some B-roll of it real quick. like I said before, I don't know if they sent this to me because my box value was kind of low last time, but as you guys saw, I actually just looked up the prices after I filmed the unboxing part of it, and the headband is from fall winter 17, so it's actually like not like super recent. It's like 3 years old almost. Yeah, like 2.5, 3 years old. And it goes, at least last sale on StockX was $77, which is way more than I thought. I thought it would be like 40 bucks, but retailed for like 32. So they never really go down. And the shirt is actually kind of what I expected. It's just this Sailboat shirt. It last sale I think was like 70, or it was like $90 or something like that. So it's actually, with my other box combined, it makes up for the last box. I think it makes up for what I paid. So I'm actually really happy with everything from SaruGeneral. If this is what happened, I still want to reach out to them tomorrow and just be like, hey, did you guys send me this box? Or basically why, and see if I can find out. If not, I'm just gonna assume they sent me another box because the first box's value was pretty bad, and they saw it and saw that it wasn't the greatest value. So luckily they send me stuff that I think is worth a decent amount of money. Sadly, this is a large and I'm an XL, so I don't think I can fit the shirt. The headband, I don't know how much I'd wear the headband. It's a New Era headband, so like it's pretty decent. New Era makes all the hats and everything, if you guys don't know that. And then the sticker, I already have one of those already from ordering the one Supreme item that I've ever ordered. So other than that, I think it's a decent, I think it's great that it came after the first stuff. I wish kind of if it was Supreme accessory, because I still kind of want that, but just them making up anything at all is great, and I think it actually is great for customer service. And I know I'm a pretty small YouTuber, but the video got like 500 views and it's still going. So I think anything probably helped them, especially since all the comments were pretty negative in that video. Yeah, so hopefully this makes up, and I will probably at least be debating on ordering SaruGeneral again, since the last time I was a little upset, but the video did really well. So yeah, another SaruGeneral mystery box, and it did pretty well this time. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.